Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and here in Simple or Not Kitchen, we put some of those online cooking videos to the test. And today we have a fun one for you. We are making a super easy creamy pasta sauce that's so good over pasta or polenta or rice. This recipe is so easy and so creamy and so delicious, you'll want to add it to your regular lineup of meals. And we're using basic pantry items to make this dish. One of the best things about this recipe is it is versatile. We're using 2 pounds of cooked chicken as the base of our sauce. You could of course use ground chicken, you could use ground beef, you could use even stewing beef if you'd like. But we have some cooked chicken. We're going to add to that a little bit of chicken broth. We have about 2 cups of chicken broth. And we have a jar of our favorite tomato sauce. You could, of course, use your own homemade tomato sauce. We have some diced tomatoes as well. And then the star of this show is about 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to put all this stuff together in a slow cooker and just let it get all happy together. And I am using my Instant Pot, which does have a slow cooker function. I'm going to start out on the saute function, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil, the chicken broth in there, and just let it heat up. And as you can see, a little bit of steam coming out of there. And then we're going to add our diced tomatoes. I'm just using a standard can of diced tomatoes. We're going to put that in there. And then we are going to add our pasta sauce. So we're just going to pour that in there. We're using our favorite pasta sauce. You could use homemade as well. And we are going to just stir that up a little bit and make sure everything is pretty well incorporated. Then we're going to add our chicken in there. You could use any kind of meat that you want or no meat at all. This could be a very nice vegetarian dish as well. And we're going to just stir everything all together. We still have our Instant Pot on the saute function. We're going to take that 8-ounce package of cream cheese and just place it right on top. It's that simple. We are going to go ahead and switch our Instant Pot to the slow cook function, and 8 hours later, this is the result. A super creamy, delicious sauce that's perfect over pasta or over polenta. You could even use this as a pizza sauce. We're going to go ahead and serve it over some polenta. I love polenta. This is just regular store-bought polenta. We're going to just drizzle our sauce right over it and top it with a little bit of cheese, and it is so delicious. So I am sprinkling a little bit of my favorite Parmesan cheese over this. You could also use mozzarella or really any kind of cheese. And this is so easy and creamy. This is going to become one of your family's favorite dishes. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more recipes, articles, and video, go online to PennellCentral.com.